These are sheets of paper that people, Native Americans, can leave here. It says on some of these to fill out, do you know someone who went on the long walk? And I'll give you information on the long walk in the description down at the bottom. But they put the name or relation to you, like a great-great-great-great-grandmother, their clan, the Salt Clan, and from chapter Kenyetta Western. So there's the Coyote Pass Clan, Texachean, Indian, a lot of Texachean, Tabaka, Bitewaka Clan, Zoom Edgewater, Apache, Tachi, Kanafa. It goes on over here too. Lots more. Another great-great-great-grandma, Red Tortoise People, Kenichi, Sheep Springs. Lots of them here, lots of them here. I don't know where they would get the tags for people to fill out, but there's a lot of, there's still no people that are relations to them that they can say did the long walk. That's really something there. And all this is passed down from generation to generation, all this information. Really something here. I mean, it's awesome here. And look at all of them. They have quite a few, and they have room for some more to be added on there too. But lots and lots of them here, for sure. And we have another wall here that has even more of them over here. So they were running out of space. All who went on Long Rock. They're mostly great-great-grandfathers or grandmothers, that type of thing, or they have the actual name of the person. Their names, Sadie Kanato, Jesus Arviso, Azdazan Dewilla, and mostly great-grandparents, great-great-great-grandparents, or whatever here. Look at them all here. Yeah, really something. I come back here because we got this wall filled out, and we got those two walls over there. All right. We got this one called The Shattered Dream. And Jerry Brown led a walk in remembrance of those affected by substance abuse disorders. I can just stop the vid if you want to read that then. Same thing down here. I haven't got time to read it for you here, but this is a cloth that everybody signed here, everything, and they have pictures of where it started, I guess, in Gallup and Church Rock, Pendale. They're picking up all the bottles and everything along the route, beer bottles to symbolize, you know, anti-substance abuse. I believe that's what it is, all the way over to Smith Lake. And they have here a visual testimony, contains a portion of the glass bottles and pieces collected on the March 3 through 4, 2023. That's about a year ago here. Shattered Dream Social Justice Walk led by artist Jerry Brown, not the governor Jerry Brown or whatever that is out there. I don't know. And this is reminiscent of a coffin, it says here. So there it is, all the beer bottles and whiskey bottles, whatever. They didn't clean them up, just the way that they found them here. So, yeah. Okay. And the cause of and alcohol abuse, which is a thing here. I'm glad that the people are tackling it, because there's no alcohol sales on the reservation. The reservation takes in lots and lots of areas. The places where we stayed were on the reservation. So there were no alcohol sales there. Okay. Or you can't buy it in the restaurants or anything. This series is based on the many colors of Indian corn. Corn is a very important diet staple to many tribal groups in the Americas. So it's about like a little kernels of corn, like an ear of corn maybe here. Look at the beautiful colors on that. I gotta stand back a little bit here so you can see it all, but yeah, very nice here. Very nicely done quilt. That'd be something to have, a big one like that. All the different colors of corn and everything. Wow. Here's something, Jiffy fire extinguishers. I guess you have to pop them open before you throw them in, but it says these were found at a 2-story trading post in St. Michael's, Arizona. They would be thrown into a base of a fire to extinguish a small fire. Well, like I said, I think you got to open up the top. I don't know what's inside of there, but some kind of chemical probably. And here's a little chiseled overlay, very nice. Yeah, look at that here. We got old saddle here. And we got a little thing that's made of sheep. All right. We got little figurines, very nicely done, a whole bunch of them here.
Isn't it cool, Joshua?
Yeah.
It's pretty, huh?